Harry Roque, mahal na mahal si Digong. Cassandra Ong, nakalaya. What happens when you let the self-absorbed, attention-seeking loudmouth bother?
Happy anniversary on your first year of detention. May you spend the rest of your life in jail. Good night. Goodbye.
Another a part of an international criminal syndicate charged and held in contempt for uncooperativeness in a large-scale non-bailable human trafficking operation for scam hubs and Philippine offshore gaming operations free with not so much as an immigration lookout bulletin order.
Si Cassandra Leong Hubad, under detention pa rin ba siya ngayon, Mr. Chair?
Ngayon po si Cassandra Leong, naka-release po siya.
Ayan na nga, nakalaya na raw noon pa si Cassandra Leong katulad ni Harry Roque dahil nang mag-recess at magkaroon ng panibagong slate from the 19th to the 20th Congress. Pinapalaya raw ang mga nakakulong or nako-contempt sa House of Representatives dahil wala raw siyang kaso noon, which is why they let her free. Kahit na she is under investigation. Matatandaan nating sinite in contempt si Cassandra Leong around October last year sa House Quad Committee dahil ayaw sumagot at mag-produce ng mga dokumentong hinihingi ng Quadco.
Now, Ms. Ong, through the chair, most respectfully, kindly justify your refusal to answer that question.
Again po, Mr. Chair, I refuse to answer po or to testify po.
Then, Mr. Chair, I think the witness has chosen not to defend the question. And I believe the proper thing now is for the chairman to rule on the propriety of the invocation of the right against self-incrimination. And from there, I suppose, we would then vote on the contempt. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Madam Ong.
Thank you, Congressman Gutierrez.
I move that since the congressional facility for detainees is too crowded, I move that Ms. Cassandra Ong will be detained